Hi guys, warm welcome to all of you. Today's session is based on time management. Coming to the time management, I would like to spend few minutes. When it comes to competitive exams, time management is very important. When it comes to competitive exams, time management is very important, friends. So, what is this time management from competitive exam point of view and from preparation point of view? From preparation point of view, usually when you want to prepare for a particular competitive exam, when you start with your session, I will start from the scratch. Means how to start, how to go about. First, you have to take a particular competitive exam, see the syllabus, you have to take the exam and see the syllabus. Make sure you have the material, every topic, then you have to get previous year papers, and after some time you have to work on previous year papers. But once you get the syllabus, your priority should be you have to cover all the topics of syllabus. That is one thing. And here what happen in competitive exams, you have to learn a lot. Let us take about the bank exam. You have to learn something related to quant session, something related to reasoning session, something related to English and something related to current affairs, and it is you have to be good at multitasking. Multitasking is very important. If you have 24 hours, take about 6 to 8 hours for sleep, remaining time how to use. Generally I say time management is individual specific. What is it meant? Imagine, let us take quant session, reasoning and English. Someone is good at quant and reasoning. They have or they should not spend the same amount of time on the quant, English and reasoning. Say quant and reasoning someone is good. They should spend an hour on quant, an hour on reasoning, and they not good at English, spend 2 hours on English. It would be like that. Someone is very good at English, very good at reasoning. They should not spend lot of time on English and reasoning. They should spend lot of time on quant. They have to adjust the time based on their difficulty, friends. This is one tip you have to remember blindly. Don't allot equal time on all subjects, that will not help you. Don't allot the equal time, that will not help you guys. Next one, when it comes to some students, they like certain things are interesting or not interesting. They like the certain things are interesting and or not interesting, and certain things are easy and not easy. Never try to be in your comfort zone, friends. Never try to be in your comfort zone. You will never get success when you are in the comfort zone. What does it mean? I remember once a student, bright student and brilliant student, I was damn sure student would get selected, but it did not happen, friends. When I asked the student, how come you not selected? I was damn sure about your selection or about your success. That student said, ma'am, actually I don't like static GK, so I did not spend much time on static GK. So they asked a lot of questions on static GK. Here the time management, you have to touch each topic, every question. You should not leave any stone unturned. You should not prepare based on your whims and fancies, that means your likes and dislikes. That is very dangerous. And coming to, I have seen lot of students, they will spend lot of time on listening, friends. That is not again advisable. Too good is too bad. This is saying in English. You have to allot time for reading, listening, learning, practicing, revision, writing and consolidating. All these are very important. Let us take Monday to Saturday, you learn something, and Sunday you have to revise and consolidate, friends. Friends, don't relax for one day also. If you relax for one day, other candidates are ahead of you. That is very dangerous and detrimental. So every minute and every second is important. When coming to the competitive exams, consistency is very important. Consistency is very important, and allot time for practice. This is about time management from exam point of view. Try to spend your time accordingly, friends. Allot time based on your strengths and weakness. No one can stop you and nothing can stop you, guys. I hope you like the session. If you like the session, please push the like button and tap on the bell button to get the new updates. All those who are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.